Welcome to today's video, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of protein. And no, I'm not talking about your boring, bland chicken breast. We're uncovering some shocking foods that pack more protein than that overcooked piece of poultry. Listen up, you donkey. If you're looking to pump up those muscles, fuel those workouts, or just want to feel like you could bench press a bloody elephant, then you won't want to miss this. We're about to turn your protein game upside down. Get ready to ditch the chicken and explore 6 unbelievable foods that will have you saying bloody brilliant to your diet. First up, we've got Greek yogurt. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't some pansy dessert topping. Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and packs a serious protein punch. We're talking up to 20 grams of protein per serving, you muppet. That's more than your average chicken breast. And don't even get me started on the versatility. You can have it plain, top it with fruit and granola, or even use it in savory dishes. The possibilities are endless, you numpty. Next, we're diving into the wonderful world of lentils. These little legumes are a plant-based protein powerhouse. We're talking 18 grams of protein per cup. And it's not just about the protein, you idiot sandwich. Lentils are also loaded with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So ditch the meat sweats and get on board with lentils. Your body will thank you. Cottage cheese. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but hold on to your hats, folks, because this often overlooked dairy product is about to rock your world. Cottage cheese is an absolute protein king, packing a whopping 28 grams per cup. That's right, you heard me correctly, and don't even try to give me that face. Cottage cheese can be delicious. Sweet or savory, the possibilities are endless, you donkey. Chapter 4, quinoa, the ancient grain that's more than just a side dish. Quinoa. This ancient grain isn't just a trendy side dish, it's a complete protein source, you hear me? That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to function properly. And while it might not have as much protein per serving as some of the other contenders on this list, don't underestimate its power. Quinoa is a versatile ingredient that can be used in everything from breakfast bowls to salads to even desserts. Chapter 5. Edamame. This snack packs a serious protein punch. Edamame. These little green soybeans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, offering around 17 grams per cup. They're like nature's little protein bombs. And they're not just for sushi restaurants anymore, you hear me? Edamame makes a great snack on its own, or you can toss it into salads, stir-fries, or even pasta dishes. Get creative and get your protein fix with edamame. Chapter 6. Tempeh, the fermented favorite. That's taking the world by storm. Finally, we've got tempeh. This fermented soybean product is another fantastic source of plant-based protein. We're talking about 21 grams of protein per 100 grams, you numpties. And don't let the fermentation scare you off. Tempeh has a nutty, earthy flavor that takes on the flavors of whatever you cook it with. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in everything from sandwiches to stir-fries to even desserts. Yes, you heard me right, desserts. Outro upgrade your protein game. There you have it. 6 foods that can help you meet your protein needs without relying on chicken. So ditch the bland and embrace the bold. Incorporate these protein powerhouses into your diet and watch your body transform. Remember, eating for your health doesn't have to be boring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and nutrition tips. And for God's sake, stop eating like a bunch of donkeys.